Yeah, I've just done on the BSA A10s. We're just still on our way to Rosedale. I was not going to do another video till we got there, but when you see this little bit of road, it's this is just great on any bike that you're coming on on a ride out like this. Some of these roads are fantastic. There's a lot of bikes coming down now. It's you see a lot of adventure bikes coming this way. But the view from up here is brilliant. Well, I think we're nearly about the highest point now, so we'll start dropping down soon. Yeah, they've had a lot of fires here this year, which have been struggling to keep under control, but at the moment there isn't any fires, which is good. Yeah, I think a lot of these roads have been shut. Somebody on an old Norton. Yeah, so I don't know if you can see up there at the very top, that's Chimney Bank. So we're just dropping down into Rosedale. Yeah, this is Rosedale Abbey, so this is quite a famous little place. And this is a little cafe we stop at. I'll just show you the little cafe and then I'll stop videoing and then we'll put the video back on when we go up Chimney Bank.